Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make fried chicken wings in the oven. These are crispy, tender, flavorful chicken wings that are so much healthier than deep fried chicken wings. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is pat the chicken wings with a paper towel. We want to make sure there is no moisture on the chicken. Less moisture equals crispier chicken wings. We're using about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings for this recipe. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the chicken wings and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The cornstarch and baking powder will make the chicken wings crispy. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And then season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper to your taste. Go ahead and toss everything together very well. Make sure every single piece of chicken is well coated in the spices. Next, you're going to grab a large baking sheet, then place a large baking rack over it. Arrange the chicken wings onto the baking rack over the baking pan. Make sure you're spacing them out, that way the chicken can crisp up very well. If there's any leftover spices in the pan, make sure you sprinkle it all over the chicken wings. Next, we're going to spray the chicken wings with olive oil spray. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Before you place the chicken wings into the oven, reduce the oven temperature from 450 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the wings into the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Halfway through the baking time, you're going to take out your chicken, then flip them. Once you're done flipping all the chicken, you're going to spray them with the oil spray. Place them back into the oven and let them finish baking. Here they are when they're all done baking. These wings came out so flavorful. They're crispy fried on the outside and juicy tender on the inside. If you guys would like to make these delicious oven fried chicken wings, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.